In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the AGCV logo on your website. So we're going to talk about where to find the logo, how to download the actual logo file, how to embed it on a WordPress website, and then how to link that image, that logo, back to your member directory page on the AGCV website. So you find the logo file for the web on the members only page of agcv.com. So to get there, you have to log into your account. So we're going to go ahead and log in first. So once you've logged in, you should be redirected to the members only page. And you'll see right here, about halfway down, two AGCV logos, one for print and one for the web. Now, these logos are essentially identical. The difference is the size that they are saved at so that you can use them in print or on the web. So logos for print are typically much larger so that they show up much clearer when printed. Logos for web are much smaller so they load faster on the website, and because you're not printing something at a high resolution, you're presenting it on a website. So you've got two options here. Now the AGCV logo for the web, it's a transparent PNG file. And let me show you what that means. If I right click on this logo and I do open image in new tab, this will open the image alone in a new tab. So this is what the logo looks like as a transparent PNG. And what that means is that these gray and white checkered boxes back here on the corners, these are transparent. You'll notice that inside the red circle, there is a white background. So if you were to push this logo on top of another image, the image would show up here in the corners because it's transparent, but it would be covered by the white logo itself. So that's what this file actually looks like. This is the transparent PNG that is the AGCV logo. Now it's also 1,000 pixels by 1,000 pixels, which is way more than probably what you need for a web logo or a social media logo. But it allows you to resize the logo if you need to make it smaller, and it gives you a very high quality original kind of file to work with when you paste it or embed it into another website. So I'm going to go back to the members page. Now, the way we actually download this file is to right click on it and choose Save Image As. And what this will do is it'll actually pop up a window and ask us where we want to save the logo. So I'm going to choose my desktop, and I'm going to leave the file name the default, which is agcv_logo_web. And it's a PNG image. And a PNG image is a very standard file format for the web these days. So I'm going to save it. And this places the logo on our desktop. It's downloaded. So now let's talk about how to embed this logo onto a WordPress website. So I'm going to go to my personal website, and I've already logged in here. This is the WordPress backend. You can put a logo or a media file anywhere on basically any page within a WordPress website. I'm going to create a new page and show you how to add a logo from scratch. So I'm going to click Pages, Add New, and I'm just going to name this page AGCV logo for now. You may have a page you want to put the logo on to begin with. That's fine. I just want to create a new page for the logo alone so that I can embed it here. So this is the editor window where I can actually edit or paste in items for presentation on the web. This is what actually will show up. This is the content that will actually show up on my website when I go live. You can think of this as a box as a little bit like a Word document. So anything you do in here, the controls are very similar to Word. To add the logo, I'm going to click Add Media. And then I'm going to click Upload Files. And I can either drag and drop the file here to upload it, or I can select a file. I'm going to go ahead and choose Select File. Takes me to my desktop, and I'm going to choose the AGCV logo web PNG that we downloaded. And I'm going to hit Open. Once I've clicked Open, WordPress will upload that file. It'll do a little bit of processing for itself, and then it gives you details about this file. So I can see here's the URL where the file is stored. Here are some details about the image itself. I can give it a title, a caption, alt text, a description. I can also change the display settings for how this is actually going to get posted onto the WordPress page. So for right now, I'm going to actually choose medium. I'm going to link to none because I'm going to show you how to change that URL after the fact. But if you wanted to change it right now, you could change custom URL and type something in. And alignment, I'm going to choose center. So this will center the logo on my page and make it 300 by 300 pixels. I have some options here, like I said before, about title, caption, alt text, and description. If you know anything about search engine optimization, this is a good place to come in and edit these items right now. The couple of things that I would do is I would change the title of this from AGCV logo web to AGCV. I wouldn't worry about the caption. In the alt text, I would actually type in the full name of the guild. Okay. I'm going to hit insert into page. And once that's done, there's our logo on this page. So now I can hit publish. This will save this WordPress page for us. And I'm going to control click on this to view page. So it's going to open up our AGCV logo page. And here is the page on my personal website where I can see the title that I typed in and the logo. Now you notice this logo isn't clickable. It doesn't have any link associated with it. So let's link this to my directory profile on the AGCV website. Before I do anything on WordPress, I need to go back to agcv.com. I need to go to the directory. And then I need to search for myself. So I'm just going to start typing in my name, and there I am. I'm going to go and click on my name. And what that's going to do is that's going to take me to my member directory page. And then I need to link to this page. So I'm going to go up to the address bar in Chrome. I'm going to choose the URL. I'm going to right click and copy this URL. So now that's on my clipboard. I'm going to go back over to the page I was editing in WordPress, and I'm going to choose the logo. Just click on it. I'm going to choose it, and I can do a couple of things. I can click edit, and that'll bring back up the window that we had before, or a similar window. And I can choose link to custom URL, paste this URL in, hit update. And so now that's updated the actual page and here on the editor. And now I need to click update to update the actual page on the live website. So I have now updated the page. I'm going to go to the page. So here's the page on my live website. It's still not clickable. Let me refresh this page. Now that it's refreshed, now you see I have a hand icon, so this is now clickable. So if I click on this link, you're going to see that it takes me right back to my AGCV directory. So there you have it. That's how you download the AGCV logo for your website, embed it into a WordPress website, and link it back to your member directory.